Look at my hair, my fro. It's froing today. Hey y'all, good evening. Nothing feels better than this. You say we're friends. Okay, let me see if this is gonna be straight. What's up? What's up? Happy Monday, everyone. I want to say, I always feel. Hey, Hanson. Hi, Hanson. How are you? Thank you for liking the live. Hey, Shoo Shoo. Tonight, happy Monday, everybody. How is everyone doing? Hello, hello, hello. Get my fro today. It's doing what it want to do. Good. I'm glad you're doing okay. How's the math class? Are you in math this semester? Hey, Nana. Hey, Yvette. How is math class going, everybody? So we're going to talk about fractions, decimals, and percents today. Conan, Super, Miriam, Ann, Karen, Hanson. Oh, that must be Hanson's mom, Big G. What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. It is a new week. What's up, Pastor Thomas? Hey, Jazzy and Andrea. So doing I know we said in math club this week, I was going to start teaching like math for real. I had some people that wanted to start with the basics. Matter of fact, let me put up here that I'm actually live. How are you doing, Jazzy? Because they won't get my notifications if I don't. How is everybody doing? Woodrow, yo. Let's see. Alright, so let me tell them I am live. Hey y'all, we are live 1 hour tonight because it's Monday and I worked. But it's Monday, right? See y'all in a minute. Alright. So how is everybody doing in math? I'm gonna end up taking this down. Aiden. What's up, everybody? How are y'all doing? Because if I don't post nothing, then they're going to be like, I thought you weren't coming on tonight. Hey, David. All right, so here we go. Fractions, decimals, and percents is what where my pen go? Is what we're talking about, just really getting the basics down. Because some of you all are in math class and it's really important to have the basics. You know what I'm saying? Because we miss a lot of the basics and then we struggle so much in math class because we don't have a foundation. I think that's the issue, is that when you're missing the foundation, of course you said, like, think about a house. If you build a house and the foundation is rocky, the house is going to fall down, right? So we're just going to talk about fractions, decimals, and percents. Hey, hey, Sheikah. Um, just to get a recap of, like I said, those basic foundations, okay? We want to make sure we have those basic foundations down. Hey, JJ. Oh, Matty Posta. Hey. So, want to make sure we have those basic foundations down. And when you talk about a fraction, when you talk about a decimal, when you talk about a percent, it's usually less than a whole. So it's like part of a whole, right? It's going to be part of a whole. And a fraction is going to tell you how many parts you have. So think about a fraction. If you have 1 out of 4, right? So I have my circle, This is the parts that I have, right? So this is the number of parts. And then this tells me the total parts, right? So I have 4 parts, and then I have 1 out of that 4, right? So I have 1 out of that 4. And then for your decimals, I always tell students to think about it like, hey, Paloma, I always tell my Harry's and way. I always tell students to think about it like money, okay? Because your decimal is going to be this after that, right? So let's say we have 25, okay? So that would be 25 cents. It's going to be less than $1, correct? So that's your change. It's still part of a whole. Your whole is $1, right? Or it's 100 pennies. So that's how we represent that. Now, percent is the same thing. So let's say we have 25%. It's always out of 100. Also part of a whole. 25% is always going to be out of a total of 100%. You have to know what your whole is when you're dealing with these fractions, decimals, and percents. Your decimal equated to money. 100 pennies is your whole. Hey, Bentu. Hello, welcome in. You're going to equate that to money, okay? Your fraction, it gives you what your whole is. It tells you what parts is going to make the whole. I'm counting by, I tell students, this tells you what you're counting by. To get a whole, it takes 4 of them, okay? You need 4 parts to make a whole. 4 total parts to make a whole. Over here, if I want a total percent, it has to be 100. Thank you for the likes. It has to be 100%. Okay, so 25% out of 100. Think about that for the rest of your math career. Okay, you have to know the foundation. When I ask students, what is a fraction? They're like, I don't know. It's usually less than a whole. It's less than $1. Okay. If this was $1 and I only had 1 part of $1, depending on what I'm, counting by. Hey, KMF, welcome in. How are you? This would be 25 cents. So I did all these to make them the same value. 25%, 25 hundredths, and then 1 out of 4. Okay, 1 out of 4. Thank y'all. So with that being said, just remember, your fraction is usually going to be the amount that's less than a whole, less than 100, less than $1. Okay, whatever that is. So keep that in mind as we start talking about fractions, okay? Keep that in mind. Keep it in mind. Don't forget it. You need to know that. So let's talk about fractions for a minute. Just running through this, right? Once I have my fractions, which are 1 out of 4, right? Let's say, okay, now I'm trying to figure out, let's say I have 1 out of 4 plus 1 out of 4. Well, now how many total fourths do I have? I have 1. This will be 1/4 plus another 1/4. That gives me a total of how many fourths? You have to remember, what are you counting by? I'm counting by fourths. Crystal, hey Crystal. I have a total of 2/4. Oh, thank me, B. Thank you. I hope so too. I love helping people. So now I have a total of 2 out of 4. Okay? Always remember that. What are we counting by? Fourths. Let's say I wanted to add another one. So we did 1/4 plus 1/4. It's always a fourth. I'm always counting by a fourth. Nothing changes. So now I have 2/4 plus 1/4. Same thing. Draw your pie, draw your pizza, whatever you want to do. How many total fourths do I have now? I had 2/4. Look, I always do that. I always give you the answer. Thank you, G. I had 2/4. I added 1/4 to that. How many total fourths do I have? Remember? Yes, Rishi. Because I'm counting by what? I'm counting by fourths. That's my number. So I have a total of 3 out of 4. Okay? What's going to happen when I add that next fourth? what's going to happen? So let's just show what happens right now. I put all of my slices. I'm going to end up having yes, Rishi. I'm going to have one whole. So let's see what that looks like. So I had 3/4 plus one more 4. And somebody told me I'm going to have one whole. I have, yes, Dolisa, yes, Jolisa. Because what am I, the 4 stays at the bottom because that tells me what I'm counting by, okay? I'm not changing the size of my pie. I'm not changing the slices in my pie. I'm just combining all my pieces together. So I can't change the denominator because it's telling me what size my pie is. So I'm going to keep that the same. I never change the denominator when I'm adding, unless I need to get like denominators. So if I already have the same denominator, I'm going to keep it the same. Because I just cut my pizza in the same, you know what I'm saying? It's the same size. So now I have 4/4. I've completed. You're welcome. Ooh, trig is not my thing, Cindy. Look, you look like sign. I see sign 65. I'm going to let you do trig. That's for you. So now I have, somebody said one whole. Please remember that. 4/4 means I have completed my set. It's like when you go get a new set of tires, what's in your set? 4. If you only buy one tire, you buy 1 out of 4. If you buy 2 tires, you buy 2 out of 4. So think of what comes in sets of 4. Thank you, Deanna. What comes in sets of 4? Okay, so I have a whole. Sometimes you'll represent that whole as literally the number 1. You gonna wake your son up? He need his rest for school. He said, hold on, let me go wake up my son. Y'all are amazing. Oh, okay. 2 is really a good age. The younger you start them, the better it is, for real. The younger you start them, the better it is, seriously. Hey, Crystal, hey, you can. So hold on. So message me because I have a link on my tutoring, but they, like I said, they charge y'all like 9%. And if you're fine with that, that's cool, but I just don't like them to charge y'all that. So I think I'm gonna set up something through Square Site. So I take the hit versus you because I can count it off on my taxes. So instead of you taking the hit for the fee for the platform, I'll take the hit instead. So you just pay a flat fee. I think that's how it is. So I'm gonna look at Square Site. But whenever you're ready, just let me know. We can do like Zoom or we can do probably WebEx. I like WebEx as well. So yeah, just message me and then we can set something up. It's for you. Hey, Lily. Hey, Jazz. I was wondering, Latoya, yes. So I usually do, that's all I usually do is algebra, like pre-algebra. But we starting with the basics and then we're going to go into next week. Well, probably even tomorrow or probably Thursday, Wednesday. We're going to do expressions and linear equations. We're going to do linear equations. But we just talking about fractions, decimals, and percents a little bit. They said they wanted to start with the basics. But the regulars is not in here. They may not have told y'all I was doing a live. I don't even know. Because I changed the name of the live. So I don't know. Oh, there go Lee. It must have just told y'all. Hey, hey, how are you? We just talking about fractions a little bit, that's all. We just talking about fractions, that's all. How are you? I had you and Jazz. I didn't know if they told y'all I was on live or not. Where you at, girl? We talking about fractions. See my fro in the way tonight. Whoever liked the live, thank y'all. Oh, wait. You start class tomorrow. I'm excited for you. I am excited for you. Congratulations. I will drop this. So y'all who are starting class, like Khan Academy, Conmigo, I'm gonna tell y'all about these AI tutors. One of them I get paid for, the other one I don't. It's an AI tutor. And then study.ai is also, it does chemistry, biology, physics, reading, writing, translates. This one just does math and science right now. So this one just does math and science right now. Study.ai does every single subject. It's like $7 a week, I think it is. No, so Conmigo, I think this is like $4 a month for your students. Study.ai, I think is $7 a week. Okay. I don't know which one is better. So this is for every subject. And do the trial first before y'all get it. I don't know who got this because I'm partnered with Study.ai. So I do get kickback on that one. But this one I don't. I just love Khan Academy. And the $4 a month, if you're just doing math or science, I would look at this one. But if you're doing every subject, like I said, you can try it for free without even putting a card in or anything like that. You don't have to put your card in or anything like that. This one is in my bio. This one I just found out about. I wish I'd have known about it. Because somebody got like the year subscription and it was like $114 for the entire year because I have a 20% discount for the entire year. But like I said, it's chemistry, biology, and all you do is like take a picture of the oh, it's on that phone. I don't have it on this phone. All you do is take a picture of the question, and it doesn't give you the answer though. It eventually does, but it's gonna walk you through it step by step. Okay, so it's gonna walk you through it step by step. So especially if you're doing like chemistry, biology, and Lee, you may not need it. Because you're doing, unless you, I know you're doing English, but you may not need it though. You may not even need it. But Conmigo, for those who have like elementary, middle school, check it out. I think they may have a free trial. Conmigo, I just like Khan Academy, period. And then study.ai, tell me what y'all think about it before you get it. Like, do you even think it's worth it? Do you think it's something that's going to be beneficial? I want y'all's input on it because they have a Discord group that you can join. Like once your student get into it, they can get on the, hey Jay, they can get in a Discord group and they talk about it, and the students be on there talking back and forth about different problems. Thank you for liking the live. So check it out. It's in, this one is in my bio. This one I get commission on, so I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. This one I don't get anything. Okay, so, and I don't even know if I get commission for the week. I'm not sure. But think about it. Look at it. It's free for you to download. It's free for you to download. It's free for you to use. You get like 10 free snaps. So like think about it. I charge up to $50 an hour for tutoring. I charge 25, I charge 30, I charge 15. It just depends. My TikTok crew, I was doing 25 an hour for them. So check it out. Tell me what you think. But enough of that. Anyways, okay. Let's talk about mixed numbers. Let's talk about mixed numbers. All right, so let's talk about mixed numbers. Let's say you have 3 2/5, and you need to make this improper, okay? Make this into an improper fraction. I have 3 2/5. How do I make that into an improper fraction? Does anybody know? What does it mean if I have 3 2/5? How do I make that into an improper fraction? 17/5? You better come on. You better let me grab you real quick, girl. Hold on, where you at? You know I like to hear y'all's voice. I don't know where everybody. Dang, you went away so fast. Okay. I'm gonna have to try to grab your name again in a minute. Yes. So why do I multiply 5 times 3 and then add 2? Yes, Ray. Why do I do that? Yes. I call it the Texas popcorn. I'm gonna multiply, then I'm gonna add. So that's gonna give me 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 2, which is 17 over 5. Y'all are so smart. We ready to move on to algebra at this point because y'all got this already. A lot of students struggle with this. Is there really a why with math? Yes. I have to do 5 times 3 because that's how many wholes I have. So what am I counting by with this fraction? It tells me how many parts everybody had. Can't you met both of y'all? Lee talk about out. That's just why you do it. Oh, y'all's names is going so fast. I can't get y'all. Yes, Corey. Yes. So I'm counting by 5s. So this tells me I have 3 sets of 5. Like I have 3 complete sets of 5. So that would mean that I'll have like 5 circles or 3 circles. So that's 5, 10, 15. That's all shaded in. I have 3 complete circles and then I have one more that only has 2 pieces, right? That's why. I have 3 complete circles and then I have one little piece of pie somebody ate 2 slices out of and they left some for me because I like key lime pie. Everybody know, y'all, I just love that y'all are so smart. A radical, you would have to give me an example of what it is that you needed me to simplify and then I could do it. Yes, that is. Okay, so since y'all know how to do that, okay. Y'all got me so excited. Okay, hold on. Let me subtract. I want to subtract. Okay, let's subtract. Let's subtract. Here we go. Y'all ready? Because if you understand that, then we finna see why we supposed to subtract. Why they give me such a big number? They ain't got no small numbers? Jeez Louise. Okay, let's see. This is super large. Okay, let's see if we do 4 over 7/8 minus 2 over 3 over 16. Let me change this real quick. Times 2. Is that right? Hey, Kristen. Oop, everybody was like, nope, that's too much work right there for me. I like to stack mine, though, when I subtract. 2. Hey, Jennifer. She said this word. Lee, don't act like that. How about this is where I draw the line. So this is how I would do it. I would do 4 over 14 minus 16 minus 2 over 3 over 16. You're gonna do your fraction parts first. So since this is the same denominator, am I good? Since everything has this, hey Marve, since everything has the same amount of parts, I'm good right here, right? Good. So I'm gonna just do 14 minus 3. Which is going to give me 11/16. So I have 11 parts left. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. That's it. Hey, Story Queen. It's my math teaching book. That's it. Hey, Abram. I am. I'm certified. I've been certified for 14. So if the denominator is different, then we have to get the same denominator. Do you know how to do that? If the denominators are different, it has been reduced. Yep, we already good with the reducing. Yep, don't even have to do any work, thankfully. Okay, so let's get the same. Let's get the different denominators then. As long as you know how to get a common denominator, you good. So let's do 2/5 plus, let's say 3 over 6. What do I do? Hey, Sierra, I was doing TSI math, but everybody's in school now. But if there's anything that you need, I have a lot of stuff on YouTube. Hey, Queenie, what do you mean? How is it different? You have to find the least common denominator. Yep, and you don't, and it doesn't have to be the least either. You don't even have to do extra work. Sometimes I just find a denominator. If you don't find the least common denominator, you just have to do a little bit extra work. So yes, it is 30. So what we're gonna do is multiply these two numbers together. That's gonna give me 30. So that's my new denominator. Okay, my new denominator is 30. And then you're going to take that 6, multiply it times 2. That'll give you 12. Take that 5, multiply it times 3. That'll give you 15. And now you just add. Oh, you have to retake it? Yeah, let me know what you need. So now I have 12 over 15. And that's 17 over 30. Oh, my bad. 27. Whoops. Hey, Shaprisa. Okay, so what am I able to reduce this? What can I reduce by, user? Hey, how are you? Divide both by 3. Very good. So divide by 3, and then what's going to be my final answer? Very good. 9 over 10. Very good. See, Jennifer? That easy. Y'all was like, when the denominator is different, what do I got to do? That's it. That wasn't that bad, right? Ooh, Mallory, geometry is not... I did 2 geometry problems the other day, though. Hey, Coop, thank you. What if they both have a whole number? Ooh, hold on. Coop, you are so kind. Hold on. What if they both have a whole number with the fraction? Okay. Where did the 3 come from? This 3 right here, we had to take out that common factor. Can you do one with a mixed fraction? Yes. Yes, I'm going to do one with a mixed fraction. So, OJ, the 3 came from, this is 9 times 3. This is 10 times 3. I'm always looking for what they have in common so that I can take that and reduce it out. Because remember, when I have 3 over 3 at the very beginning of the lesson, that was equal to 1 whole, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and divide that out. That cancels out. When they have the same factor at the top as at the bottom, it cancels out. And I'm left with 9 over 10. What do you love about simplifying radicals? You always find the common factor that they have, and then you divide it out. Does that make sense? Ray, a formula sheet for fractions. I look so much. I actually do. I have like a whole review sheet. You're so welcome. And I have been looking for it for you all, and I cannot find it. Because when I taught developmental math, I made a cheat sheet for my students, and I cannot find it nowhere. But I'm going to keep looking for it so I can give it to y'all. Okay. So you said do one with the actual, let's see. So let's say we want to do 1 and, let me find it. 1 1/2 plus 3 2/3. 1 1/2, 93. 1 1/2 plus 3 2/3. 1 1/2 plus 3 2/3. Can you show us how to turn a fraction? Oh, yeah. I'll be having to write down what y'all want me to do because I forget in a minute. Hey, Nicole, you are so kind. Thank you. Shaprisa, remind me again what you want me to do in a minute because I've been and forgot. I got somebody said 5 1/6. So you want me to go mix it improper? And y'all can always request to join. Okay, you said 6 is going to be my common denominator? Yes. And you don't have to worry about the whole numbers. You just want to deal with the fractions right now. So go ahead and get the common denominator between, okay, got 5 and 4 6. Very good. That's all you have to do. Lee, where you at? You done got quiet. All you have to do is make sure your denominators are the same, and you do the same thing. So I got 1/2, and I have 2/3. I want to make sure that my denominators are the same, right? So I'm looking here. My denominator is 6, okay, because I did 2 times 3. So I'm going to make sure I do that over here. 2 times 2, which is going to give me 4. And then 3 times 1, which is going to give me 3. So that's going to then give me 7/6. Oh, okay. Okay. So that's going to give me 7/6. But then don't forget you have to do your 1 plus 3. So that's going to give me 4 and 7/6. Now, how did somebody get 5 and 1/6? What do we do with this? What happens? Because I have an improper fraction within my mixed number. What happens? No, Jennifer, you got it right. Oh, okay, girl, I get it. I get it. There's come on, Jess. Yes, there is an extra 6th. I have too many 6ths. Yep, and we do what we did with the Texas popcorn. Very good. This is an extra 6. I had just told one of the students I was substitute teaching. I'm like, you have too many. When it's this big at the top, that means I got too many. I've already made 6/6. I got 1 whole. What do I do with that 1 whole? I give it to the 4. That'll do. So once I get enough, I got to give it over to the 4. So I'm going to give him a whole. So that's going to be +1. That's going to make me have 5. And then I have 1/6. So I'm going to take away that 1 whole, give it to my 4, and that's going to give me, so essentially look at it like this. You're doing 7/6 minus 6/6, right? Because that's 1 whole. Minus 6/6, which is going to then equal 1/6. This right here is 1 whole. That's why I did that. No, because 7 minus 6 is going to give you 1. Yes, Vari. Yes, Vanny. Absolutely. Good. We have a good time over here. I don't have my strobe. I don't have my good light on today. We had a party light. Yes, Jesse. I like the way you said that. It's a box of pizza with an extra slice from the last box. Absolutely. So Nicole, let's look at this. Let's 4 and 7 6. Let's just look at the whole thing. So we have 4 and 7/6. Remember, we already have 4 whole pizzas, 4 whole pieces of pie. Now my light is on this one and I need to plug it up. We don't have no party light tonight. I'm gonna plug it up in a minute though, just for y'all. So this tells me I have 4 pizzas. Now, I only have 6 slices, right? Ooh, y'all, I can't, I gotta drive by 6. Hold on, y'all. Okay, hold on. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's that 7th slice gonna go? I have to make another pizza now, right? 1. So now this is 7/6. I'm counting by 6. Remember? I'm counting by, I can only have 6 slices in the box. So whenever I get to that 7th slice, that's a new box. So I'm going to take this one, which is complete, and say, oh, that 5, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole slices, 5 whole boxes of pizza. Now, this one got an X, that's 1/6. So 5 and 1/6. Yes, Shaprisa. Yes. Because if you really draw this out, like I said, you have to understand at the beginning of the lesson, we said, what are we counting by? The highest we can go in our little pizza box. Nicole, does that make sense for real though? Any type of fraction, yes. Yep. Yes, Shaprisa, because if it was 6 over 6, I start over again. Because if we had 6 over 6, remember 6 over 6 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 over 6, which is equal to one whole situation. Okay, whenever I get 6 over 6, that is equal to 1 in fraction world. Anytime you have the same number at the top as you do at the bottom, that is a complete set. If you go get a new set of tires, it's 4 over 4. That is a complete set. Now, this fraction, this mixed number says I have 4 complete boxes of pizza or 4 complete pies. However you want to look at it, whatever's a circle that makes sense to you. It could be an orange that got 6 slices on it. Whatever you want to do. What this is telling me is I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all filled in. Now, on this side, I need to represent 7 out of 6. Well, I can only count by 6s. I can only have 6. I can only have 6 at one time. So that means I need to make another circle, and I need to highlight one slice. So that is now 1 over 6 for a complete 7 over 6. You see that, Marcus? For a complete, now I have a complete 7 over 6. That's what that equals. But since I'm not going to leave it as 7 over 6 since I'm writing a mixed number. I'm going to take this one whole and I'm going to add it to my total to give me 5. Patience, you see it? Okay. Marcus, did you get that? Was it? Okay. Okay, so now, since, like I said, anytime you get a complete set, you're going to make that a whole number. So now we're going to take this and add it to our wholes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to give me 5 and 1 over 6. This is equal to one whole. Okay, so I remember this is one whole and it becomes 5 and 1/6. Uh-oh, hold on. Somebody said a comment. I missed it. Hold on. 1 mean slices. Yes. Yes. That makes sense. Good, Lexi. You don't want your fractions too heavy. I like that. Yay, Angie. I like that. You don't want to make it. Yes, you don't want to make it be then fell over. And that's why I tell you want something to grow the correct way. It's too much weight on that thing. If it's too much weight on that thing, it's going. That's not good. Could you achieve this by multiplying 6 and 4 and adding 7 and dividing by 6? Ooh, Ashley, help me again. You can subtract the 1. Yes. So actually, Bintu, it would be like if you had 7 over 6, you would end up subtracting 6 over 6. So what I tell my students is truly you can look at this as a subtraction sign and do 6, you're taking away 6 from 7. Every time you take away a 6, that means you take away a whole. Yes, Lee, we can. We were going to teach percentages, but we got stuck on fractions. Yes. A similar one? Yes. So let's just start back with fractions, period, right? Hey, the best. Let's just start with fractions, period. The best, is that what you want me to solve it? What I want you to do with that, you got to do PEMDAS. You'll do 2 plus 3 first. So you're going to do 2 plus 3 first. Okay, so she have 100 divided by 4 times 2 plus 3. You always do the parentheses first. So you do 2 plus 3, which would be 4 times 6 divided by 100 divided by 4 times 6. You can even go ahead and do distribution property if you want to. You would actually do 100 divided by 4 first. That'll give you 25 times 6. You got to do PEMDAS. I know you want to go ahead. You would actually do the 100 divided by 4 first. And then you would do that. 2 plus 3. You got to do parentheses first. Because it'll be 4 times 2, which is 8. And then 4 times 3, which is 12. And it's a stanky looking problem. Oh, my bad. That's a 5. I lied. I did too much. I did. My bad. Thank you, Mona. Y'all, I'll mess up something in a minute. Let me get back to my fractions. See? Let me get back to my fractions. Y'all know what it is. Yes, it's 5, Elizabeth. Y'all better help me out. I was trying to help the best real quick. The best. Yes, there it is. So you had 2. My bad. Let me write it out so you can see it. Then 100 divided by 4 would be 25 times 5. So it'll be 1. Is it 125? 125. There you go. There you go. All right. There you go, the best. You can take a screenshot if you wanted that. Everybody in the comments is helping you out. Y'all better come on, Math Club. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go, Math Club. Multiplication comes before division depending on what order it's in. Hey, L dude. You like my fro? Thank you. All right, the best. Did you get it? Very good. Perfect. You said, why not multiply? Because of order operations. No. Man, bump your way up out of here. Ain't nobody trying to get nobody to comment. Hopefully you're not talking to me. If you are. If not, I apologize. Because I hate when people come here being messy. The parentheses do go first. Alright, anyways, let me get back to my, hold on, y'all. Let me go ahead and skip them up out of here, because what you're not going to do is be here bothering folks. Block account, confirm. Okay. Anyway. Ugh. Sitting here messing with us. Yes, I changed it to a... She did the parentheses first. Yes. Left to right. They do jazz, and I'm not in the mood for it. First, I was trying to take a nap before I got on here. I was struggling, trying to be awake. So, again, we get back to our fraction lesson. You always do parentheses first, which is 4 times 5. But it's whichever comes first from left to right. So you have to do 100 divided by 4. Because this doesn't have to be, this could be 100 divided by 4 times 5. It don't mean that you have to do it. It's just writing it like that. It's just the way that they wrote it. You can write it like this. And if you write it like this, then it's going to be 25 times 5, which is 125. Yeah, it's the way they wrote it. That's why. They just trying to make it more difficult. You welcome, the best. And honestly, you probably could have got it. This would end up being 20. Yeah, 100 divided by 20 would end up giving you 5. You welcome. Yep, we going back to the fraction now. Because you would think it would be 5, but it's not. It's 125. You did the 4 times 5 purse. I can't do that, Jordan. Yep, you did the 4 times 5, and then you did 100 divided by 20, so you went out of order. You got to do the 100 divided by 4, and then you times it by 5. I know you would think that. Because even if, yeah, it's a whole situation. You would actually do 4 times 2, which is 8. It's a hot mess. Okay. We was doing mixed fractions, right? So let's go back to this one. 4 times 7 over 6. No, let's do another one. Do y'all want to add it, or do you just want to break down the mixed number? Like, for instance, if we had 5 and let's say we had 7 over 3. How would I write that? Yes, Shaprisa. 2023, 2023. So y'all are changing it to an improper fraction. So Shaprisa put 9 1/3. Very good, Shaprisa. So let's say I want to leave it as a mixed number. How would I write this? 7 over 15. Jesse said I got to drop my pizza slices because we count by threes. I want you to keep it as a mixed number. Don't change it to an improper fraction. Okay. So we want to write it as a simplified mixed number. Seven and 1/3, 20. We're gonna keep it as a mixed number. Hey Kay, 7 and 1/3, yes. But there's an improper fraction in the mixed number, so we got to do something to that. If we have an improper fraction inside the mixed number, what do we do to simplify this? I want to keep it as a mixed number, but I need to simplify this improper fraction. 7 and 1/3. How did we get 7? Where did the 7, how did we get the 7 for the whole number? How did that happen? Jesse is drawing pizzas. What does 7/3 tell me? There, thank you, Panda. Yes, I got 2 extra pieces. You borrow from it. You can. Yes, very good. So I have 2 extra thirds because I'm counting by thirds, right? I have too many 3s at the top. I can only have this baby, this weight bench right here, it's only set for 3. I can't have more than 3 at a time up here on this weight bench. Okay? I can't do that. So that means that I have too many sets of 3 on here. I gotta take some of them off. Every time I take off a set of 3, that's a whole. Okay? Every time I take off a set of 3, that means I have 1 complete pizza and it goes over here on this side. Does that make sense? What's wrong, Shaprisa? What you have to understand, okay, let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, these is all complete. I only have enough to put 3 on each one. So I'm gonna draw. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 3 over 3. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's another 3 over 3. But I have it 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I gotta draw another one. And then that's 1 over 3. I have 1 whole. I have another 1 whole. And then I have 1 out of 3. Every time you have a whole, you add it to the... I have to block somebody real quick. Elizabeth, you see? Nicole, you got it? That's what I'm talking about, baby. If I get 1 out of the 99, I'm going to go chase the 1. I'ma leave the 99 and go chase the 1. Come on. Okay. So every time I have a whole pizza, that's gonna go over there. So I have 2 more that I'm gonna add to give me a total of 7 1/3. Yes, Angie, you got it right. Yes, Sheena, 7 1/3. Y'all, where the lid to my pen go? One hole. So I got 5 holes. That gives me 7 1/3. Paige got it. Angie got it. Slim got it. Let's go. Lee, where you at? You okay? Paige said 7 1/3. Very good. Yes, Angie. Yes, Corey. Lee, you the 99 and I'm going to come get you every time. Every single time I'm going to come get you. Every single time I'm going to come get you. Max, you can have kids. I'm going to come get you every time. Every time. It take a minute to see it if you don't understand what fractions are. That's why I said, if you got that rocky foundation, don't build that house on it because it's going to chew. The big bad wolf going to come and blow it down. Absolutely, Miss Page. Absolutely. Refresher is always good. But let's do another one. I got 1/3 because I started with, so let's not even look at the 5, y'all. This is my counting number. This tells me I'm counting by 3s. Okay, been to we are in a second. This tells me I'm counting by 3s. So that means that I cannot leave this like this. I want to write it, right? This written as a mixed number would actually be 2 1/3. But since I had another one over there, I had to add it to the 5. This tells me I have 2 wholes and 1/3 because I'm counting by 3s. Max want to do another one. Mari want to do another one. No, I don't have 7 whole pizzas. I have 7 slices. But I have 2 whole pizzas because only 3 can fit 3 slices in a box at a time. Three slices in a box at a time. Okay, we about to start another one. Yep. We can only do 3. This tells me how many can I put inside the pizza box. I can only do 3 at a time. So once I fill up that one, I have to go to another one, then I have to go to another one. Yes, Jesse. All right, let's do another one. Everybody talk about they want to do another one. Okay, so write that as a mixed number. Because before we even start adding, let's just get that out the way. Because you can actually divide this. Oh, and another one. I don't know. It's a TikTok sound to say thank you and another one. I don't even know. Hey, Sophia. Panda, you don't? Roger that. Sweets, did you get that? Yep, you can do that too. You can circle the 3s. Okay, said I was thirsty. 3 3/4. So think about this as a set of tires. How many cars? We got 15. We count by 4s, right? Nope, mixed number. I can only put 4 tires on a car. How many cars can I get done? And how many tires is left over? I'm counting by 4s. I got 3 cars. I can do 3 complete sets today. And then when I do that, 4 times 3, that's 12. Okay, minus 12. That's going to be 3 tires. I need one more. I need one more to make a full set. Yes. Ladies, if you count by 10s, baby, you done broke one of them nails. You need to go get a fill. You need to get a fill done. That's 10. That's 10. You got to think about stuff that, how can I make this work? I don't know how to draw no car. Okay, so think about it. If I could draw like a little Flintstone car, I would, but I can't. and it don't work. That's my one car, but I can't drive 4 tires, so it don't work. I can't drive a car. It ain't working, but I was beep beep. If I put like a little smoke on the back, that's one car. I got them sets done, and then I got another car, and I got 2 tires and 3, 4 beep beep. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not gonna work. Let me stop. Yes, that's it, Shabrisa. Yes, yes, absolutely. That's exactly what it is. How many times does 4 go into 15? Jennifer, I be trying to figure it out. You know, because I used to watch the Flintstones. So how many tires? Everybody coming in to get their tires done. We only count by 4s. So think about it like this. So now I'm going to show you how to do it mathematically, right? You just said something. How many times is 4 going to 15? Yes. So whenever you want to change this into a mixed number mathematically, you would do top number inside, bottom number outside. You know 4 goes into 15 3 times. You got 3 left over. We call it the J hook. I'm going to put the 3 at the top and the 4 at the bottom. And that would be my answer. 3 over 3, 4. But half the time you don't know why that works. So once you get lit with it, that's really how I do. I do have a YouTube. It don't have a lot on there, but I have one. Yep. So you see how I use division now to do that? But if you could make it make sense in your head without having to do, you know, something like that, you live and in charge. I don't do stat. You said SATs? No, Sophia. Yes, Harper Feet. Why everybody get quiet? Did y'all see me do the division? Hey, Holly. It's in my bio, but it's my name, Sophia B Math, on YouTube. I don't have a lot of videos. I do, but I don't. I just knew that 12 went in. Yes. Yes. I mean, I have like probably 100 videos on there, but that's how you do it. I tutor as well. I've been teaching for I've been certified. I've been tutoring for years. I love tutoring. I love helping people learn math. Ash Tara, you want to go the opposite way? You want to go from a mixed number to an improper fraction? DM me. I have a link on there for my Wyzan account, but like I was telling somebody earlier, I was like, I don't like that they tax y'all. So I think I'm gonna do a Square site, and I'm going to I bite the bullet, and I'm gonna just do it on WebEx or Zoom. So if you really want, yeah, just DM me and I'll set it up and we can meet through PayPal. Very demure. What's demure? Very mindful, very demure, very cutesy. Yes, you always use the bottom number to multiply. I can help you with TSI testing, absolutely. I don't tutor science, but I do have an app that I'm partnered with that helps with science. It's called Study.ai. Oh my goodness, I know. I think I'm gonna do $15 for 30 minutes or 45. I haven't decided yet because it used to be a little bit higher than that. For math, I have 4 days. Oh, congratulations to be an A. That's awesome. Here, let me put another problem up here for y'all. Oh, you wanted me to show you how to do it backwards. So since you know you're counting by 4s, you would always multiply these two numbers together. Whatever you get, 4 times 3 is 12. You're going to add that to 3, and that's going to give you 15 over 4. So you multiply the bottom, and then you add it to the top. Hey, Corey. Yeah, because I'm actually about to get off of here in a minute. I was going to do something else. Thank you, Ian. Oh, start math 0305? Okay, cool. Reset, take my card. Y'all, I got the 4 from the bottom. Yep, so that since I'm counting by 4s, the whole number says how many total sets of 4 do I have? That would be 4 times 3. And then I have to add those extras at the top. So that gives me 15 over 4. It's that easy, yep. Always keep the bottom number as is. Yes, Shaprisa. Okay, you good? You got it? Very good. Oh, thank you, Sophia. You have dyslexia? Y'all, I'm missing y'all's comments. I'm sorry. You should definitely tutor calculus. People ask me all the time, and I said, no, that's not my lane. The B inverse? I've never heard of that. Oh, I'm glad. Introductory algebra? Yes, I do. Okay, so let's do the breaking down again. 15/4 is basically 15 copies of 1/4. Yeah, uh-oh. Hold on, y'all. I think my live messed up. Oh, shoot. Hold on, y'all. They making me verify that I'm going live. Hold on. Okay. They made me draw a puzzle piece. All right, so let's do another one. Let's break it down by sevenths. So let's say we have 29 over 7. Let's break it down into a mixed number again. I do teach introductory algebra. I do. I'm going to start. I'm actually about to put all my lives up. I know, once you see it and you're not in it, it's easier. Dividing integers. I'm glad you're enjoying it, sissy. Pre-cal, Sophia, you better go. I don't do tape measurements. An integer is a negative number. Every fraction like that, yes, you do it the same way. Multiply and then add. So integer is a number that's less than 0. They say integers because it means that it's also including negative numbers. So anytime somebody says an integer, that means that it's also going to be a negative number. Yeah, so that's why, Shaprisa, if they say an integer, that means it's negative and positive numbers. That's why they changed it. That means it's including a number that's less than 0. I have a tic-tac-toe chart on my page for dividing integers to make sure that you have the correct sign. I love fractions. They're beautiful. Don't act like that. 4 and 1/7. Let me see. 7 times 4 is 28. Yes. 4 and 1/7. Y'all got it. Y'all got that. 7 goes into 29 4 times. Perfect, everybody. Yay! Yes, Shaprisa. Yes, so positive and negative numbers. It's just telling you that it's also going to be a negative number as well. You got it. You right, Shaprisa. How are any integers? No, integers, yes. But it's just, so when you're talking about integers, it just says that now we've introduced to negative numbers. That's it. So there's this big thing. It says whole numbers, counting numbers, rational numbers, integers. Integers said, I am going to introduce to you now negative numbers. That's all that means. But these are integers. But yeah, integers are just saying, hey, I'm going to talk to you about negative numbers as well. Yeah, you can subtract it though. Every time you take away a 7, that's one whole. Okay? So you can say minus 7 is going to give me 22 over 7. And then you could say minus 7 again. That's going to give me, goodness gracious, is it 15? Oh my goodness. My brain is having to think. Yes. Whew. It's 15 over 7. So you could do it like subtraction too. Remember, a repeated subtraction is going to be division. But it is easier if you know your times tables. It's just saying how many 7s do I have in 29 because I got too many up there. You're welcome. Oh, I'm glad you're enjoying it. Hey, Bridgie. Yes, y'all are so amazing. Oh, no, sweet. 7 is an integer. It's just a whole number. So don't even get caught up on the, why are you learning about integers? 4 and 1 over 7. Yes, powder donuts. Yes. If it has something with a variable, it can still be Yeah. Sweets, yeah. You have to see how many times does 7 go into 29 and 1 is your remainder. Perfect. Yes. Integers are numbers that go from negative to infinity to positive infinity if that clicks for anyone. Oh yeah, I'm gonna let y'all. Top dog goes in the house. Yes. I need to learn what a variable is an XYZ element OP. Okay. So this is 29 over 7. And like they said, if you really wanted to say, like you said, top dog, I say top number in, bottom number out. You could do 29 divided by 7. You could look at this as how many whole numbers, how many sets of 7 do I have in 29? Whatever makes it work for you. And I didn't even give you all a whole number to go with it. So this would end up being 7 times 20. What did we say? 20. Ooh, 4 and what did we say? 1/4? 1/7? Yeah. I did 4 times 7. Yeah. So 7 times 4 is 28 plus 1 is going to be 29. Several ways to get the answer. Absolutely. Absolutely. 4 times. Yeah. So if we write this as a mixed number, we're just trying to see how many 7s is in 29. That gives us 4 and 1 over 7. You get it? Yay! The only thing that changes is that when we're changing that, when we're having to add mixed numbers together, or we're having to add 7 times 3 is 21, and then 7 times 4 is 28. Yes, sweets. Yes. Yay, Lee! Shaprisa, you want to divide? Can we divide tomorrow? It's not. Ooh. It would be whatever 1 divided by 7 is. That would change it to a decimal. Yep. Dividing fractions, don't care why. Flip the second one and multiply. Dividing fraction is easy as pie. Flip the second one and multiply. Hey, oh, hey. Yeah. I used to sing to my students. Dividing fractions, don't care why. Flip the second one and multiply. Dividing fractions, don't care. My son just got home. Hey, Bubba. Hey, son. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well.
You on live right now?
I am. You still ain't got your haircut?
Huh?
You still ain't got your haircut? Oh, flip it and reverse it. Oh, that's a good one. Shaprisa, come on and sing the song. Sing it for us and make it go with fractions. Did you get your haircut?
Tomorrow.
Okay. Are you going back over there?
Yeah.
All right. See, Shaprisa, you gonna sing it? Okay, remind me what Missy sound like. Dang, I can't grab. How do I add you for a guest? Flip it, reverse it. How does it remind me how the song go? Hold on, Sharisa. Let me see if I can add you. Are you gonna sing? Oh, all right. She talking about who know the Missy Elliott song so we can make it into a fraction song. Who remember? Because I don't remember. The one came from the remainder. Yes. Does anybody remember? I don't know. It's like flip it, reverse it. I'm trying. I don't remember. Is it worth it? Okay, thank you. Is it worth it? Let me work it. Flip down, fine, and reverse it. Yeah. Is it worth it? Let me work it. Flip the fraction and reverse. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna have to figure out how to make it into a multiplication song. Is it worth it? Let me work it. Let me see if I can get it. Flip my thing down and reverse it. I'm trying to figure out. We're trying to make a song. Whoever is in here, how can we make a fraction song to make it? We did 6. We did 5. Let's do 32 over 9. Flip that thing and reverse it. Hey. So we're gonna do another one like this, and then we're gonna add it, and then we're gonna be done for the night. Flip that thing and reverse it. Multiply it. Flip and multiply it. Wait, flip it. Flip and multiply it. I don't know. You gonna have me thinking. Put my game down, flip it and reverse it. Hey Jennifer, you still in here? Hey. We trying to make it, Jacoby, we trying to make it in the flip, multiply. But Bree, if we say reverse it though, after we say flip and multiply. Hey Jazz, thank you. Haven't sent at all. Okay, sweets, I put another one up there. Jennifer said 355 and 9. I hope so, Black. I hope so, Black. Jacoby, I like that. We got to figure out that last way. Jazz, you are so kind. 3 and 5 ninths. Valito, 4/3. 3 and 5 ninths. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. 3 and 5 ninths. 3 times. Yes, 3 times 9 is 27. Perfect. Sweet said, wait, we going too fast. How many 9s do I have in 32? How many holes can I make? How many holes can I make? I can make 3, okay? And that's going to give me what? So how many do I need to take away from the top? After I get 3 holes, how many do I need to take away? Because that gives me what? Like how many slices would that be? Oh, okay, I got you. Thank you, Bree. That would be 27. So I'm going to take 27 away because since I have 9, this would be 9 times 3, which is 27. So I need to take that away from what I had at the top. So now that's 32 minus 27. That's going to give you a leftover for how many you have remaining. That couldn't go, it didn't make a complete set. It didn't make a complete set. So I have 5 left over that didn't make a complete set. Does that make sense? Yeah, there you go, sweets. That makes sense. So anytime you get your holes, you want to say, well, how many, I have 3 whole boxes, right? So I have 9, 9, 9, which is equal to 27 slices. Now I need to figure out how many slices I have taken away to make my 3 whole boxes, and that's what goes in the last one. Hey, Kathy. Does that make sense? Okay, good. You're welcome. So welcome. Hey, Briosha. Y'all want to do another one? Y'all want to add so that we'll end with adding. You want to add some mixed numbers? Hey, Q Brown. Thank you. Let's add and we'll end. Hey, Lynn. Just got to remember to subtract. Yes. Actually, when you draw your boxes, you have 1 in each box broken into 9. Correct, Nikki. Yes. You're so welcome. Okay, let's add mixed numbers and we'll end with that. Oh, you are so kind. Thank you all. Thank you, Jazz. No. If we already have, so we're going to add them with a common denominator. So, Bree, remember, we're just changing this into a mixed number. But now we're about to get ready to add, and so we're going to see what happens then. So, for instance, let's say we have 2 and, let's say, 1/4 plus, let's say we have 7/4. We don't, nah, I think y'all can do better than that. Let's do 11/4. Valito, this is on the GED. I don't know Stokes' theorem. Yes, a circle is so helpful. Absolutely. We actually were doing those earlier. Okay, so what am I doing? Where's my 5 coming from? Is that my whole number? There we go. Okay. So for this one, very good. Look at y'all. So you went ahead and changed it to an improper fraction? Oh, y'all just went a whole different way with it. Okay. Y'all just went a whole different way. So I like, okay, so somebody did 2 1/4, or you did 8. Did you do 8/4? 4 up, you forgot to add your 1. Yep, you just didn't add the 1. That's all it was. You just missed your 1. So let's say we change this to an improper fraction. So let's say we did, what was it, 4 times 2, which would be 2, and then I would have 3/4 left. So 2 plus 2 would then equal 4, and 1 plus 3 would be 4/4. So then this would equal 1 whole, so this would be 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Or you could have did what you did and changed this in so many different ways. So let's do it this way. We're going to do 4 times 2 plus 1. So we could have did 9/4 plus 11/4 gives me 20/4, which reduces down to 5. It don't matter as long as you get that thing right. Did you get this one? Did you get 5 though? Long as you get 5. No, so it's 2 and 3/4. I just changed that into a mixed number. Leave, but you did get it right. You just missed your Yep, you got it. There you go. Perfect. Y'all did that thing. Hey. Y'all did that thing. You did that thing. So you talk about when we did 20 divided by. So think about this as a division symbol. The same way we were getting how many sets of 4s in 20? Hey, Mr. Hernandez. How's it going in Florida? Right? Remember, Black, how did we get? Yes, the same thing. Nothing changed. We just don't have a number in front of it. That's all. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes, sweets. Yep. That makes sense. Good. Everybody got it. Y'all are amazing, wonderful, and awesome. Flip it down and reverse it. Now, I'm going to be thinking about it. I'm going to try to make it into a song. And then we're going to divide tomorrow. We're going to divide tomorrow, okay, Shaprisa? So you need to either make them both mixed or... No, actually, you can make them. It just depends. When the denominators are the same... Oh, heaven sent, thank you. I go tomorrow between 8 and 8:30. Between 8 and 8:30. If the denominator is different, we'll work on that tomorrow. Yes, I'm still out here. Yes. You did it. No, you didn't. You changed it to 9 and mm-mm. Oh, Quee, I'm glad. Lee, I thought you had did it right. PM, yes, Miss Patty, yes. About 8:30 tomorrow. So could I have did what you mean, like added across like, oh, what do you mean? You're welcome. Added across 2 and 12/4, because that would have gave me 14/4. Yeah, Mr. Hernandez is a math teacher too. Shaprisa, tell me again what you're thinking about. So this is 2 different ways. I solved it 2 different ways over here. You actually didn't have to change this to 2 3/4. You could have left it as 9. Oh yeah, like I did over here. I think I did it your way this side, Lee. I think I did it your way on this side. 1 plus 11 is 12. Oh, yes. And then you could have had, okay. And then you could have had 2 and 12/4. And then you had 2 and 3. Come on, Shaprisa. Like that. Oh, 4 times 2 is 8. Yes. Yes, you could have did that. I see what you're talking about. Yeah. And then you could have did 4 times 2 is 8 and got 20 over 4. Perfect. Yep. Yep. Either way. You could have did it both ways. Yep. See how everybody mind is different and you think differently, but as long as you get the same answer, we good. No matter what. You see how you saw that differently? Yes, your way is not incorrect. That was perfect. That is perfect. And that was even easy. Because you see how I still went a different way than you did? Because you was like, go ahead and do the popcorn method. But I'm sitting here talking about 2 plus, simplify that, make that 3. That's 5. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Alexia, we've been on here since we about to end it, Alexia. I'm going to put it on YouTube, though. See, yeah. Yep, because Sweets, yep, she just came up here and was like, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and do 1 plus 11 and get 12, and then I'm gonna do that little popcorn method that we did, and I'm gonna get 8 plus 12, make that 20 divided by 4, simplify that down, and get that 5. Bada bing, bada boom, and we through. Monday through Thursday, literally. Okay, so Alexia, come back. We're gonna be on here tomorrow. We'll start with a little bit of this. I may even put up some practice problems for y'all to work. Isn't it easy that way? That was easy, huh, Black? You like the first way, Sweets? That's fine. Whatever works for you. That's why I try to teach it different ways. Oh, Shaprisa, I'm good. Oh, I'm so glad. Bring your notebook. Look, bring your notebook, okay? Come ready. Bring your notebook and your paper. Hey, Umi, about between 8 and 8:30. And like I had posted a video today, was like, hey y'all, I'm online. I had so much fun with y'all tonight. I had a good time. Yeah, between 8 and 8:30. Today I got on about 8:30. It was nice to meet you too, Empress. I was tired today. I'm gonna try to get on earlier so we're not on here so late. I'm gonna try to get back on at 8. See you tomorrow. You said fractions made sense. I'm so happy. Thank you. Central Time. Central Time. You're welcome. Oh, Shaprisa, that's right. You do start Thursday. I'm so excited. Yep, classmates. This is Math Club. Welcome to Math Club. We're going to start algebra, Shaprisa. After we do a little bit of this, we're going to go ahead and get into our linear equations. You know you welcome, Lee, all the time. All the time. All the time. I'm glad y'all came in. Oh, Melanie, yes, you missed it. Where you been at? We did fractions today. I'm going to try to post it. I missed you. You started school? Well, you definitely needed to focus on that then. Congratulations. It was fun. Look how many new people we got at Math Club. Slim. Right. I'm glad it came through today. I guess I must have put in the right thing. I put Math Club because we had a good time at Math Club. Oh, Lee, you still on here? Did you get out? Let me turn our lights on before we can end. Shaprisa, I think they did. Hold on, y'all gotta turn my light on to end our live. Hold on, y'all. We gotta go out with a bang. We gotta go out with a party. Hold on. Let me get it up. Hold on. Let me turn our light on. Hold up. You know we gotta end with a party. Let me see if I turn this off. We gotta end with a party, okay? We gotta end with a party. Hey. Welcome to Math Club. Welcome to Math Club. Welcome to Math Club. I know. I am so happy and proud too. Let me turn the light back out. Okay, let me try to. Welcome to Math Club. What's up, everybody? Party over here. Ain't nothing over there. Yes, Sweets. Hey, Rayshawn. I do have a vamp. Okay, let me turn the light on because I can't see. I do. I'm gonna put it in my bio. We go from 8. Usually I start about 8:30. When dividing fractions, all you have to do is flip the second one and multiply. No LCD, none of that. Nope, don't need it. Nope. We wish you the best too, sweets. All right, let me turn it off because my eyes. Woo! Okay. Love y'all to life, though, for real. You all are absolutely amazing. Look at Sweets. Look at y'all making friends in the comments. You all are amazing. Yes, Sweets. Welcome to the crew. Hey, sissy. We have a good time over here. Y'all, it's almost 10 o'clock. We going out with a bang. I love y'all too, for real. To life, for real. Thank y'all for kicking it with me. Y'all make my day. You just don't understand. Y'all make my day. Thank you. Yes, I'm about to head to bed. After school, I went ahead and just took develop. Okay, good. Because that's what we're about to start working on anyway. Good night, Empress. Melanin, we gonna see you tomorrow. Nah, I wouldn't either. I would have just took it. And plus, it's gonna get you ready. I know you said you weren't sure exactly what you wanted to do. But you got it, girl. You got it, girl. Alright, see y'all mañana. Good night, Shaprisa. Good night. Good night, sweet. You are so welcome. Y'all are more than welcome. Good night, Lee. It was an absolute pleasure hanging out with y'all. Oh, Lee, Shaprisa asking about your test. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, D. Bye-bye. You was here the other day. You made it. What's up? All right, let me turn my other light on so I can see what y'all saying. She was right there. Thank you for the likes. I don't know who's liking it, but thank you. But she did amazing. She did an amazing job. Just like all of you all did. All of y'all, Melanie, everybody, whoever took it did an amazing job. Coming from not knowing any math to going and taking a huge test like that. Y'all did amazing. Amazing. Well, user, I'm glad. I'm gonna let y'all keep talking on it. Oh, I need some drink. Hey, Alex. I think that's your name. Yes, y'all did amazing. There's still 176 people in here. Hey, y'all. I will stay on for longer, but whew, we gotta get some rest. Y'all come back tomorrow. You hear? Hey, Keenan. I had an amazing time with everybody. I don't like hanging up on people. Between 8 and 9. I'm glad you're coming back. About 8, probably like 8:15, 8:30. That's usually what time I go live. Monday through Thursday, unless something happens. But I'm usually here Monday through Thursday. We've been here about 2 months. We've been rocking for about 2 months now. On live, learning math. We was focused on the TSI test, but now we about to start doing beginning algebra now. So we did fractions today. We'll start with fractions. I may even give y'all some practice problems. And then we'll start learning something else tomorrow. Okay, in spring, well, hopefully we'll have you ready by the end. Because you were doing good. You were catching on quick, so I think you'll be ready. And math can be a lot if you struggle for a long time. So don't stress yourself out and don't overthink it either. No, y'all not. Y'all is fine. Don't say that, girl. Y'all fine. I actually enjoy just getting to talk sometime and not teach. So that's why I was on here the other night. You remember it's Mr. M? He had did a live, and so I jumped on him, and it was 2 younger people on here talking about their life. I was sitting on the sofa, and I just started talking. I just was on here talking. I like to talk about life stuff. What you want to be when you grow up. I told you I love y'all. I know you got to go to bed, though. My name is Sophia. I'm waiting till 10 o'clock, and I'm about to be like, because I got to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. It's Sophia. I know, Lee. They just keep joining. I don't know where the people coming from. Go look at my bike. Go look at my page. It's written on there. South Florida? Uh-uh. I stay in Texas. Or is that San Francisco? I don't know what SFL is. Oh, yeah, no. I'm from Texas. Well, thank you. I don't know if I want to be as hell, but I know what you mean, though. Oh, not devil. Uh-oh. TJ, what's up? Come back tomorrow. We'll be back on tomorrow at 8:30. Between 8 and 8:30. Alright, y'all. Let me get out of here. Lee still on here? I'm about to hang up on everybody. You know I don't like hanging up on nobody. As long as you're not on here, I'm not gonna feel bad. As long as you're not on here, girl, I'm not gonna feel bad. Y'all, thank you for popping in. We were talking about math. We were talking. No, girl, you fine. I'm just surprised there's still 200 people in here. We was talking about fractions. I be trying to see what they talking about. I'm like, what y'all want to talk about? It's so like 187 people. Y'all trying to talk about something? She's about good night for real. I know. It'd be interesting. Then they be... We trying to get some recruits for tomorrow. We want everybody to come learn about fractions tomorrow. Hey, Wit. I'm going to see if they come back. We going to see. Okay, they dipping off now. We going to see if they show up and show out tomorrow with us. It might have just been a good day. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Thank y'all for sharing. I don't know who shared the hey Gold. Thank you. I don't know who you just told about the live, but thank you. 8:30. Yes. Yeah. If I make it on, is it kind of late? Is 8:30 kind of late? What do you think about 8 o'clock? What you think about 8 o'clock? Is that too early? Cause I thought maybe a little bit early would be better. Cause we were going at 8 at first, and then we went to 8:30 because I was struggling with my time. What you think? I think I'm gonna try to shoot for 8 tomorrow. I'm gonna try to shoot for 8 tomorrow. So maybe I'll post a story or video and say, yeah, I'm gonna shoot for 8. Okay. And maybe I'll put like they let you do live events. So I don't know. Empress said 8:30. Well, just pop on because we're gonna be on here for at least an hour. We'll go until at least 9, probably 9:30. It's 10 o'clock right now, so it's just that it's school time and it start getting late. Jabria, we finna go. We're about to go. We was learning about fractions though, mixed numbers and stuff like that. Okay, we're gonna try 8 tomorrow and see how that go, and then if we need to switch, we'll see. So we'll do 8 tomorrow and see how that go. Let me make you a mod, Lee, because you be answering questions and I don't know if I can make you a mod or not. Let me see. Yep. Oh, you are, Jabri? Well, come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow because we may not talk about fractions. We may a little bit. We probably start off with fractions, and then we're gonna talk about something else. What grade? What class are you in, Jabria? Hey, Danny. I was going over stuff on the TSI test, but you can find it on my YouTube page now. But we're gonna start, and this is on the TSI test too. But we're gonna start learning about just all things math now for beginning algebra. Yeah, my child. Purple Haze. Hey, Purple Haze. I do not. I don't think I do. I might. Hey, OJ. I have to look and see. If not, I'll put that on my list to make one. Let me put that on my list to make one. So it's a test that we take in Texas that places students in college level math. I think I have one for dividing fractions. Okay, so I'll put that on my list. You're welcome. All right, everybody. Okay, seems like we done chilled out. All right, y'all. Hopefully you come back tomorrow. Lee, thank you for kicking it and staying to the end, my ace boom coon. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Good night. Oh, thank you. Hey, Talivia. Hey, Crunchy. Thank you, Talivia. Lee, did you hang up? She must have hung up. I've been trying to make sure. Good night, Empress. I know you said, hey, Talivia, how you doing? Come back tomorrow. We'll be here by 8 o'clock tomorrow. Ralph Lauren. We're about to get off for tonight, though. All right, good night. Thank you. Hey, TMZ. Dude, you missed fractions. We finna go to bed now. We was on here. We had like 200 people on here learning about fractions and math. We was having a good time. You missed everything. Everything. I know you came in for a second and then you left. Got 48 shares today. I'm gonna go to bed though. Well, I'm not gonna go to bed, but I'm gonna get off of here. Where was you at? What happened to you? No, you said something. You're funny. You popped in and then you popped out. Talk about what you the one said. What did I miss? You have to. What? I don't even know what you said. I'm going to bed. But thanks for stopping by, as always. One of my good supporters. You have. Oh, you said I haven't turned it off. I know, Empress, because people was on here still talking, but I'm about to get off for real. You had left and came back. I had told you good night. All right, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna get off. I'm not going to bed, but I'm about to get off here for real. Because I'll be on here all night just sitting talking. Bye, y'all. Good night. I just feel so rude hanging up on people. You hang up. No, you hang up. You hang up. No, you hang up. I'm gonna hang up. Holly, hey, welcome back. I just hate hanging up on people. But this is what fractions do. Good night. Alright, bye. For real. Empress, I'm hanging up. Bye. I'm getting off of here. I'm done. See y'all tomorrow. Where is the hang up button? Okay.